The secret to realistic hearts. It's all about color. Let me show you how. Lightly sketch the outline of the heart. Don't worry about being perfect. We will refine it as we go. The key is to get proportions right. Now the exciting part, adding the color. Start by applying red to the main areas of the heart. We will build up the color gradually, layering the paints to create depth and dimension. Use darker shades to create shadows and define the curves and contours. Think about where the light source is coming from and where the shadows will fall. Painting a realistic balloon is more challenging than it looks. It's not just about shape, it's about capturing the shine, curves, and the way the light plays on its surface. Blending is the key to achieving smooth and realistic look. Use a clean, dry brush and gentle strokes to blend the edges of your colors. This will create more natural and organic feel. Now let's define the details. Add some highlights to the areas where light is hitting the heart. And you can even add some subtle textures to make it look even more realistic. little details that bring painting to life. The subtle variations in color, delicate highlights, these are the things that make it real. To make it really realistic, we can add some subtle details. These little touches make big difference. Just painting of blue. It's a painting of feeling. It's about joy, hope, and simple beauty of everyday things. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more art videos. I hope you enjoyed this painting tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you think. Here's the finished painting. I'm really happy with how it captures the shine and vibrant red of the blue. Watch more of my painting tutorials here.